Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that someone just lost $50 billion. Not a country, not a corporation, one person. $50 billion. Gone. Headlines explode across the internet. News anchors look shocked. Social media celebrates, panics, jokes, and argues all at the same time. But then, a strange question appears. Where did the money actually go? Did it vanish? Did somebody find it? Did another billionaire secretly become richer overnight? Because losing $50 billion sounds less like finance and more like accidentally dropping a continent-sized wallet. Yet this happens surprisingly often. In 2022, some of the world's richest people watched tens of billions disappear from their fortunes in a matter of months. And the truth behind it reveals something strange about money itself. Because billionaire wealth doesn't work the way most people imagine. Most people think billionaires are sitting inside giant vaults filled with cash, like cartoon villains, stacks of money, golden chairs, maybe a Shark Tank for dramatic effect. Reality is much weirder. A billionaire's wealth usually exists on paper. Let's say a billionaire owns a company worth $500 billion, and they own 10% of it. Simple math says their stake is worth $50 billion. But notice something important. They don't actually have $50 billion in cash. They have ownership. Their wealth is tied to what other people believe that ownership is worth. And belief can change very quickly. Imagine a company has 1 billion shares. Yesterday, investors were willing to pay $100 for each share. Today, they're only willing to pay $90. Nothing exploded. The factories are still there. Employees still show up to work. The logo didn't catch fire overnight, but the market value just dropped by 10%. And if our billionaire owns a large chunk of those shares, billions of dollars disappear instantly, not physically, mathematically. This is where things become uncomfortable. Because when headlines say a billionaire lost $50 billion, the money usually didn't travel anywhere. It wasn't transferred. It wasn't stolen. It wasn't hidden in a secret offshore cave. The market simply stopped valuing the assets at yesterday's price. Think of it like owning a house. Yesterday, your neighborhood was fashionable. Everyone wanted to live there. Today, demand collapses. Your house might lose hundreds of thousands in value. The bricks are still standing. The kitchen still exists. But the price people are willing to pay has changed. Stocks work the same way, just much faster. And on a much larger scale,